Go global, baby.
Tyrekevlogs.
Man. Big up Trinidad. Yo, bird beast from my boy, this him a go disappear. We walk.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. But we're gonna be reaction video, guys. Right now we have a Mafi song called Die by Gun official video. Song went up for 4 days. Well, since the time of this recording, you understand? But I'm stacking up on the reactions right now because we finna touch the road. You understand? So leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. You understand me? Pick up yourself right now. You hear that? I can Tyreek, yeah, you. Yeah, they're Florida right now, but guess what? You still have post video, yeah, general every single day on 2 channel. We can do it. So who else I do it? Anyways, let's see what I'll go on. Some fine emojis as usual. Comment to see your comment. We'll start do that again, like just like day one, like we just start over. You don't know YouTube God. Follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Get me to 10,000 followers. You understand? We need 2,200 more. We can do it before the year ends. 10K, after that nice, and I'm not like, I said that 10K on Instagram. I feel me deserve it, man. Go on!
Go global, baby.
Tyrekevlogs.
Man.
Well, pass.
Big up Trinidad.
Big up going, see that big up going global. Is it me? I said they really doing the right thing. I'm Mafi. I want to see a jump on the beatbox remix there, Mafi. I know say I can mash it up the right way, Mafi. Deal with it, Mafi. Put up a tune though.
Go global, baby.
Tyrekevlogs.
Man. Big up Trinidad. Yo, bird beast from my boy, this him a go disappear. We walk down and just make it place rearrange Linden.
Yo, babies. Yo, Burbies. From my boy, this. Him a go disappear.
From my boy, this he can't live again. One thing me know from me was a little kid. Pussy can't distill. No time. From you.
From Mafi was a little youth. From Mafi was a little booby Nile. This is the one thing that he knew. No boy can't distill. No time. Go on.
1 mile your blood wine run. You live by the gun, you go die by gun. The killers them wild and them can't calm down. Don't fuck off.
If you live by the strap, you're gonna die by the strap. Don't this the 1 mile boss them, cause you're gonna die too. Yeah, hear what I go on? Mafi, are you sing man? What I see on rolling pan them, everything march out. Are you sing the bad song them in a youth? Good.
The pan Linden grounds make a juvenile send you down a burial ground. Anyway you're there where you go bring you welcome. Cause your knees we not take dog from clown. Dog.
Who him attack? Who bright enough for this, Mafi? Who bright enough for try test? The man say anyway you're there, and I bring the war for them. You see the man start up a chain sand. Let me see the man like go mince you up fine like sardines when you cut down tree. Yeah, listen to Mafi. Go on.
Them think a little bit dramatic, me have not the attic.
Yeah.
Wrap it up in your forehead, that a something tragic.
What?
Anyway me see the target, me a body bag it.
What?
I know nothing for me circle, they go kill a novice.
Anyway, him see the target, him a go for it. And nothing for him circle him ends. The man say, man, novice. People, who knows this stuff, Mafi? No, me ask you a question. Are you guys listening to some Mafi right now? You better take notes in the youth. Go on.
Give them everything me have in at the cartridge. This Glock a no tailor, but it a do the clottings. No feel so you're safe through me live a foreign. Have nothing else to give them but a couple.
Your piece, you safe through the man live a foreign. You think him safe through the man live a one Buckley, New York. If he say safe through the man live a foreign. Yo, the dog said the matic are not tailor, but it a clot. The matic is not a tailor, but it a clot. Wanna get it? You get it? Mafi, talk to them, Mafi, talk to them.
From you say 1 mile, your blood going run. You live by the gun, you go die by gun. The killers them wild and them can't calm down. Don't fuck around, nobody pan.
Friends say 1 mile, your blood going run. You live by the gun, you go die by gun. Then man have a little boobing and them a lip sing the song too. Right now, be a fair emoji if you have in the comment section, you know, dog. Me not have to tell, at this point, you watching the reaction, boss. I don't have to tell you guys to comment the fire emojis anymore because I already know the drill. The like button and the fire emojis is what count. That is the golden rule. Once you click a Tyrekevlogs video,
Then grounds make a juvenile send you down a burial ground. Anyway you're there, we a go bring you welcome. Guyanese we not take talk from clown. Boy scared when the rifle a kick off. Feel
more open to the part of the keenly, because I like to see a little clash go on either between the Trini and the Guyanese, or the Guyana and the Jamaica. You know the vibes anyway. Then anyway the clash go on, we take it, you know. Anyway the clash go on, we take it. But go on!
strip off you can't go hospital, you too deform. Them gun you no care if it's a group of man. You step 10 feet close, you lose your hand. Guyanese man fully ignorant.
Them gonna not care if it's a group of man. You step 10 feet close, you lose a hand. Honest, my lyrics them right now. Them gonna not care if it's a group of man. If you step 10 feet close, you lose your hand. Guyanese who Mafi?
Run some boy badness I just on the Instagram. This we your lights out, not the lamp. Yo Betty, yeah, we still at top the rank.
Big up Buckley, Betty. You see me, I say you had a bad coke remix. I remix them and react to Betty. Yo, Betty, that song there, I remix that bad. I coke. Skinny Ben coke remix. Me say. Buckley.
You say 1 mile, your blood going run. You live by the gun, you go die by gun. The killers them wild and them can't calm down. Don't fuck around, nobody panning.
Remember, so we see the video I shoot on Instagram and I see that man in the ear. That one, and the very time I asking at the back. You dip on one bike with one gun and I go on brawling, you know. Maybe one different video, you know, because I say Mafi work, Mafi really put in the work, you know, people. And you have to watch out for Mafi, you know, alright.
Then grounds make a juvenile send you down a burial ground. Anyway you're there, we a go bring you welcome. Guyanese we not take talk from clown. Yeah.
Song done. I know that, but I say still, I love seeing it. You see me I say? I love seeing it. I never expect this. You see me I say? Say, yeah, on the rest I just gone a while ago. Going global from Trinidad, if you never know. No. Mafia from Guyana. No. And you see what go on this. I saw my likes of the unity. I saw you see me to represent for the entire Caribbean. I don't pick no side, I don't pick no one place. Remember when they try to transition from Trinidad, you know, because I must have transition from Jamaica to Trinidad for that 2 audiences, they have to do from. And then I jump to Guyana. Guyana is actually the 3rd place I started the reaction for. Most of the my audience I talk about. Brother, yeah, make so much place, blah blah blah. Watch out now. I'm not make video to make a collaborate together. I'm not gonna say I'm not say I'm media, I'm show you say you must like see that. You see me I say. But as I say, the reaction boss there representing. Kind of tired about it. I put in the work, get the business done for one because right now we're touching Naga, Florida tomorrow. So I do over there for run 5 days. I post every day on 2 channels. I'm gone.